Cooper. What? Should we go on an airplane ride? Oh, cool. Let's invite our friends or brothers or sisters. Whatever. Yeah, okay. Okay, so who do we invite? Turtle, elephant, Teddy, girl Teddy. Oh, and their sons and daughters. Ah, sweet. In a pack. Cool. I'm fine with that. And old Ali, the pilot. Cool. Wait, should we invite Tommy? Okay. Yeah, okay. We're showing aboard the plane, and this is old Ali and Squeeze.
Wait, aren't you my child? Even old Ali. How are you doing this?
We're 20 years. Okay. Yoshi, Koopa, old Ali, aka me, Teddy and Girl Teddy. Well, Teddy and Girl Teddy are funny, but Yoshi, Koopa, and me, and Ray and I Fury, even though he's still a baby, are 20 years old. Even Turtle and Elephant.
I never seen you drive a plane.
I just got my license today. So
it'll be your first time.
Mission aboard the plane.
If you crash, Turtle is good. I'll just jump out the plane and land in the water.
Okay. Okay, the plane is starting. 3, 2, 1. It's getting a little bumpy.
That's not bumpy.
It's a bumpy.
Ow.
Okay, now.
Why did you go too fast? You made me bump my head.
No. That's how the plane works. Stop or I will rotate the plane. Okay.
At least I have my seatbelts here.
Yeah. Wait, what? Turtle doesn't have seatbelts?
Yeah.
Oh no, turn back the plane.
Yeah. That's the leash. I'm putting this leash on him since you just eventually just jump out the
Squeak.
window. Turtle, are you kidding me? Hey, old Ellie, do you have turtle seatbelts? Just try to jump out the window to the water.
No. You have a leash.
Oh, yeah. I should not take it off.
Okay. Okay, mission aboard the plane. Okay, now we're flying to where?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, I set this trick to
Japan?
no.
America?
No. Hawaii.
Is it?
I mean Hollywood.
What is that?
A country, a state or something in America. Which is really popular.
Can you spray water in my mouth? Look, that's why you need to do. You have water.
Hold on a sec. Can I get a bag? Can I get a bag?
Make my fairy. You're going to.
Oh, thank you. Grab a thing. Everyone has dirty water.
And make my fairy. You just pulled out your seatbelts.
Oh, because of my wings.
Do you want me to hold you?
Okay.
Oh, now.
It looks like it's 80% of crashing and 20% of flying back up. Uh-oh.
I have oil.
No, because one of our plane is damaged.
Like that.
Uh.
Wait, I'm gonna get out.
Avoid your seatbelt. I'll save it.
I'm going to jump off the plane.
Stop. Okay, I'm holding it. I'm holding it. And Koopa saved the landing. Show me like a struck. He's outside holding the plane. Cooper fell off. Well, at least I fixed the plane. Cooper fixed the plane. That's oh, Timmy. And Sweet, why are you doing nothing? Because I'm a fan of you. Oh yeah.
If you have those in
Yeah. So I just squeaked. Oh, John.
let's have a noise.
Stop doing it. Okay, Evan. Okay,
He's
stop.
trying to get in the water. Yes, that's where his mother and father is. His father died. He already has a family, so he wants to go see his mother.
You're his father.
Yeah, but he wants to see his wife.
His
And
wife?
he already has a wife and a baby.
Okay.
So that's why he can jump off the plane and get in the water and see them.
Wait.
What?
Isn't Turtle always outside a lot? Like back in childhood, in our childhoods, we have sleepovers, and Harvey, you're the dad.
Basically, I am. So
And Turtle was out the water.
yeah, pretty much when I was born, I just swam around it.
Okay, this is a 24-hour ride. I don't know really. So now it's nighttime.
I have a Nintendo Switch.
Now it's nighttime. So yeah, in the pilot seat, yeah, it's shining back up. Meanwhile, in the other seat.
What's this taking a long time? Very nice bird. Owie, you're not owl, so you'll stay awake.
I'm not sleeping. That's Yoshi snoring.
I'm not sleeping. I'm a nut here, so I got sleep.
Why's everyone sleeping?
I'm not sleeping. Just play on Nintendo Switch. Yeah. Beep, 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 beep.
Meanwhile, you're in the morning. How long have you been playing the Nintendo Switch? It's the
About
morning.
for a whole entire day.
And we have 2 more hours. Oh, sweet.
Turtle, stop trying to whack the window with your tail. He has broken the window. Okay, now this is
Luckily, there's another apartment. I'm closing it with plastic window. It's plastic. That's what you get.
Fix it with oxygen. Wow, this is heavy.
Don't you dare do it.
Glad you did.
Also, why do I sound young a little?
I'm going to jump on this triple
It's plastic.
red rock.
Yeah, because it's heavy.
Look at it.
Old Owie, where did the piano come from?
Hey, what the? Check the bedrock.
The little crack.
Bedrock on the.
You can barely move.
I barely move. Javi needs to drag me.
And we have
Crashed.
no, we have 5 more hours till we land.
Wait, not good.
Also, we don't have Wi-Fi.
I was playing Mario Maker the whole time.
Well, you didn't play course levels like the road.
Yeah. I just made. What? I made 5,000. Because I made a few accounts.
What?
Yeah. I made 100 accounts.
Meanwhile, in Old Alley. And Squeaks, what do we do now? I don't know. Let's check on the camera.
I'll break the plate.
Okay. Everyone, Turtle is making the plane. Oh now. How you should smack him.
Okay, fix the plane with some metal.
And Harvey has saved the day.
Seriously? No, I just whacked the metal
Well,
with this.
Coop actually did. But that was
Before. That was
Well,
before.
and we have 3 more hours. And why can't I see the back camera? Harvey, why can I not see the back camera?
Everything's fine. They're just lying down and sitting.
What? All I see is blue.
Oh. Yeah, we're underwater. We have lots of tanks.
No.
Just joking, guys.
Is that boogers of turtle?
That is elephant water.
Okay, it's definitely damaging the canvas.
So, get out the water in the bucket. And fix the camera.
Okay, Harvey has fixed the canvas. Let's see what's going on.
Come on, come on.
I'll just smack my diaper.
Effort, no. You make you pee.
Wait a second, is he an adult already?
Basically, he's still kind of a baby.
Oh, okay.
He's 19 years old, so he's kind of a baby.
How is he kind of a baby? He's a teenager.
And though when they're 20, that's when they are teenager. Just come on.
It's true. Duh. Yeah.
That's me! Seriously, what the? Yoshi, that's pee on your face. Yoshi.
Ow. Stop, hot turtle. Stop, turtle. Any elephant? And elephant is gonna pee the whole plane, and we're gonna crash. And there's 1 hour left, so you have to spend your 1 hour. We might survive or we crash. And I didn't even get my driver's license too.
I'm about to go get it. I got all of it. And I got it.
Okay. And we might crash because one of our plane is good. And we have 10 more minutes or we crash.
Yoshi, stay together. Stay nice and easy. You carry Turtle. Get the metal bubble off. You carry.
And we have 5 more minutes.
The one is not outside, too bad. And I'm just going to do something good. Actually, after the dinner.
And 1 more minute. Wait, guys, we might survive. And 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 52, 51, 20, 21. Oh, it's actually time is going faster. 22, 23, 24, 19, 18, 17, 16, 13, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We make the move. 2, 1. Yay, we land. We landed. And it's a successful landing.
You just hurt my head.
Stay tuned for part 2 of They Going to Hawaii.